Okay, people are talking about real estate, and maybe not for exactly the reasons we would want. But yes, there are huge changes in the industry and we need to break them down. So here's 3 things you gotta know about the recent changes to the residential real estate brokerage industry. Number 1, if you are a buyer and you're working with a buyer's agent, you have to have a contract signed, which specifies exactly how much that buyer's agent will make if and when you purchase a piece of real estate. Number 2, offers of compensation. This is what is offered to buyer's agents via the listing side or the seller. These are no longer allowed to be published in the MLS. Now there is a little asterisk here because the MLS that serves Greater Boston, MLS PIN, is not owned by the National Association of Realtors, which means we do not exactly have to follow the full settlement. But overall, the industry change, offers of compensation are no longer allowed to be published via MLSs. Number 3, the takeaway is transparency. They want all fees to be negotiable and they want the consumers to better understand exactly what the fees are. So you're gonna have questions. Everyone has questions about this. This is absolutely shaking the industry. There have not been regulatory changes like this in at least 10, if not 20 plus years. So please reach out to me or anyone at Columbus Nova Group to help understand these major industry shifts.